Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to reduce total blocking time, or TBT, on your Shopify store. Total blocking time is a performance metric that measures how long your website is unable to respond to user interactions while the browser is busy processing JavaScript. A high TBT can make your store feel slow, even if the page appears to have loaded. The good news is that there are several simple ways to improve it. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin and go to Settings, then Apps and Sales Channels. Review the apps installed on your store and remove any that you no longer use. Many Shopify apps load additional JavaScript files, and every extra script increases the amount of work the browser has to do before customers can interact with your pages. Next, go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize. Review your homepage and remove sections that aren't necessary, such as multiple sliders, autoplay videos, excessive animations, or large interactive widgets. A simpler homepage usually requires less JavaScript to run, which helps reduce total blocking time. If you've added custom tracking codes or third-party tools like chat widgets, social media feeds, pop-ups, or marketing scripts, review them carefully. Only keep the scripts that are essential for your business. Every external script adds more processing time and can delay when visitors are able to click buttons or browse your products. Another helpful step is to optimize your images. While images don't directly increase total blocking time, reducing image sizes helps browsers finish loading the page more quickly so they can begin processing interactive elements sooner. Compress your images and use modern formats like WebP whenever possible. After making these improvements, test your store on both desktop and mobile devices. Open your homepage, product pages, and collection pages, and make sure everything responds quickly when you tap buttons, open menus, or add products to the cart. Next, run your website through Google Page Speed Insights. The report includes a total blocking time measurement along with recommendations for reducing unused JavaScript and improving page responsiveness. Compare your results before and after making changes so you can see which optimizations have the biggest impact. It's also a good idea to keep your Shopify theme updated. If you're using a modern online store 2.0 theme like Dawn, newer versions often include performance improvements that reduce unnecessary scripts and improve loading efficiency. Another common cause of high TBT is adding too many features through apps that perform similar tasks. For example, if you have multiple pop-up apps, review apps, or marketing tools installed, consider replacing them with a single app that handles several functions. Fewer apps generally mean fewer scripts running in the background. As your store grows, review your homepage every few months. Remove expired promotions, seasonal banners, and widgets that are no longer needed. Keeping your storefront clean not only improves performance, but also creates a better shopping experience for your customers. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.